फॉल विंटर सीजन शुरू हो गया है एंड आई फाउंड सम पीसेस जो क्लासी भी हैं और स्टाइलिश भी ना। ऑब्वियसली लेयर्स एंड जैकेट्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, बट जो आपका बेस आउटफिट होता है दैट हैज़ टू बी एब्सोल्युटली ऑन पॉइंट। आज की जो ओवरऑल कलर स्कीम है इट इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर इंडियन स्किन टोन, मिक्स ऑफ वार्म टोन्स एंड न्यूट्रल्स जो हर किसी पे एफर्टलेसली क्लासी लगते हैं। ऑल द पीसेस दैट आई हैव टुडे are from a brand that I've suggested many times before, that is the Bear House. I used to love their shirts a lot, but now they have a great range of clothes across categories. My name is Vaibhav Keswani, your Amazon style coach. If you want to become a better version of you, do subscribe to this channel. और अगर हजारों style inspiration चाहिए तो मेरा Instagram जरूर check कर लेना. Now when we speak about fall winter styling, तो usually एक problem आती है color coordination की. बहुत बार हम layering में इतने सारे clothing pieces add कर लेते हैं कि color choices गलत हो जाती हैं और आउटफिट स्टाइलिश होने की जगह क्लटर्ड लगने लगता है। इसलिए बेस लेयर को परफेक्ट रखना इज द की दैट ऑटोमेटिकली एलिवेट्स द लुक। स्पीकिंग ऑफ कलर टोन्स, अर्दी और डीप शेड्स आर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। फॉर इंस्टेंस ब्राउन्स, ऑलिव्स, ग्रीन्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स न्यूट्रल्स लाइक बेज, ग्रे, वाइट आर परफेक्ट फॉर लेयरिंग। और जब बात आती है डीप टोन्स की, शेड्स लाइक वाइन एंड चारकोल लुक एब्सोल्युटली प्रीमियम ऑन इंडियन स्किन टोन। अब थोड़ा बात करते हैं इन पीसेस की जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी डील्स पर मिले हैं as I got early access to the Black Friday sale at the Beer House. Now the first one on my list is this brown colored Henley. Absolutely love the tone of this one. Usually brown में हमें बहुत सारे options मिल जाते हैं, but this shade in particular is actually very versatile. The good part about this one is it is a little thick than your usual Henley. इसका fall और fit काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाता है and it is super smooth on your skin as well. इट इज़ वन ऑफ दोज पीसेज जो आप स्टैंड अलोन पहनेंगे तो भी बहुत स्टाइलिश लगेंगे, पर अगर आप ऐसी जगह रहते हैं जहाँ थोड़ी ठंड ज़्यादा पड़ती है, यू कैन लिटरली लेयर दिस अप really well. Next up is a shirt which is going to give really old money vibes. The one that I'm talking about here is this one. Absolutely love the tonality and the vertical stripes the brand has given. Obviously vertical stripes से आपकी body ज़्यादा structured लगती है and this is one shirt which you can literally wear in any season throughout. The fabric of this shirt is again very smooth and the good part is the versatility this one has. Next up on my list is my personal favorite and I feel that you should definitely must have the one that I'm talking about here is this grey bottom wear with check details that I absolutely love. The good part about this one is that it has 4-way stretch making it super comfortable. मुझे इसका वेस्ट बैंड का डिज़ाइन काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. मेक्स इट लुक वेरी क्लासी एंड मोर पुट टुगेदर. द क्रॉस पॉकेट्स हियर मेक्स इट वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर सेमी फॉर्मल आउटफिट्स एंड द प्लीट्स that the brand has given just makes it look very very classy and intricate in detailing. Lastly, इसका fit काफ़ी ज़्यादा appropriate है. That is definitely going to make your body look more proportional. When you're playing with solids या फिर किसी basic outfit को ज़्यादा elevate करना है, then go for textures just like this t-shirt has. Firstly, I absolutely love the color of this one and it has a very interesting texture which is very appropriate for this season. क्योंकि इसकी neck और arms ribbed हैं, इससे ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा structured दिखती है and the fall of this solid t-shirt is really good. This t-shirt in particular has 70% cotton जिससे ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा smooth हो जाती है and the texture makes it look very premium and a t-shirt which is actually very rich. Now again, this is something you literally can wear standalone only because it has a very interesting texture which makes it classy. या फिर अगर आप इसको layer भी करना चाहें, this is one color that you can easily layer. The next textured piece on my list is this black full sleeves t-shirt. The texture is absolutely fantastic. इसी से ये ज़्यादा elevated और classy लगती है. This is one t-shirt I feel everyone should have. Again, it is the detailing around the neck and the sleeves जिससे ये ज़्यादा प्रीमियम लगती है. इसका फिट बेटर होता है and the fall of this t-shirts become way better. ये सारी pieces की सबसे अच्छी बात है that I got them at never seen prices. Obviously because I got the early access to the Black Friday sale, you really need to check out their website and explore the entire collection right away. Moving on is another staple. ये आप literally throughout the year use कर सकते हैं. The one thing that I'm talking about here are these beige trousers. Now of course I have shown a lot of beige trousers in the past, but what's fresh and what's new about this one in particular is the texture this one has. Now obviously I have been wearing these sort of trousers for a very long time, but मुझे इसकी एक तो length बहुत appropriate लगी. That is one thing a lot of brands generally miss out on, but this one fits perfectly. Secondly, the texture on this again adds that style element to any outfit. अगर आपको अपनी wardrobe में ज़्यादा rich और premium colors चाहिए, then you definitely need to add this Polo. Now Polo by default ज़्यादा classy लगती है. It looks more mature and classy and effortless at the same time. The texture on this one again is very interesting. It has a buttonless collar which is very trending as well. Buttonless collars होने की वजह से आप इसको बहुत ज़्यादा easily layer भी कर सकते हैं and the color is actually very much on point. It is a muted tone, ज़्यादा loud नहीं है. Exactly the kind of wine that I would suggest. Next up is another trouser which is 100% a must have. The one that I'm talking about here are these black trousers. The good part about this are the elasticated waistband जिससे ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable हो जाती है. The good part is which I personally like कि अंदर की side से drawstrings दे रखे हैं in case you want to tighten it up a little. The fit is very relaxed and chill जिसकी वजह से आप इसको multiple तरीके से style कर सकते हैं without putting in a lot of effort. The blend of this one in particular is 98% cotton and 2% spandex जिससे ये breathable भी हो जाती है and at the same time because there is stretch in this one comfortable भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो जाती है. So you can literally wear this for longer hours without any doubt. Talking about sass and comfort, the next piece is just appropriate for that. The one that I'm talking about here is this navy shirt which is a blend of cotton and linen. I absolutely loved the fit of this one and the good part is because इसमें linen blend है काफ़ी ज़्यादा breathable हो जाता है especially for times when you literally want to layer it up and this is one color जिसको आप बहुत easily multiple colors के साथ combine कर सकते हैं to make your outfits look really stylish. The white button adds a contrast and this single pocket just adds that detail but this is out and out a casual shirt which you can literally dress it up or dress it down, parties, dates, etc. कहीं पर भी आप easily पहन सकते हैं. Next up on my list is a 100% must have. The one that I'm talking about here is a crisp button down white shirt like this. This shirt is 100% in cotton but the good part is how crisp this shirt is because इसकी वजह से काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा fit आता है which is something you really need especially going for a white shirt because I always say whenever you're going for colors like black and white you really need to go for a higher quality piece even if you have to pay a little extra but anyway this I got at a great deal. Now of course white shirt is very versatile. आप इसको easily पहन सकते हैं, easily combine कर सकते हैं and will go with most of the skin tones also. Now this one in particular is better than any regular white shirt is only because of the fact that it has a button down collars for that premiumness and the structure and the fit this one in particular has. Now that I'm done showing you these 10 fabulous pieces from the Beer House, let me move on to my favorite part of this video which is the styling part. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I honestly am in love
with what the Bear House has dropped this season.
Their Black Friday sale is just around the corner, and all these amazing pieces will be available under one umbrella, that is their website at never seen before prices. So don't wait,
Visit the Bear House website now.
and get ready for the sale. Trust me, you don't want to miss on this. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay stylish.